Have a bunch of leftover plastic pipes in different sizes? Before you throw them out, hold on, those scraps can be surprisingly useful. In this video, we'll show you simple and creative ways to turn them into practical tools, clever organizers, and helpful household fixes. Let's dive into some smart ideas. Over the years of living in our home, we've collected quite a few pipes of various sizes. What should we do with them? It seems wasteful to just throw them out. Let's see if we can turn them into something useful and creative. Let's start with these pipes. Take a small piece of plastic pipe and drill a hole on one end. Then deepen this hole. Insert the end of thick wire into the hole and rotate the pipe. You'll get an even spiral winding without effort and pain in your fingers. Perfect tool for working with stiff wire. Take a long thin plastic pipe and drill a hole on one end. Thread rope through the entire pipe and bring it out through the hole. Tie a knot at the end, you'll get a tightening loop. Lower the pipe to an object in a hard-to-reach place, pull the rope from the other end to tighten the loop around the object, and lift it up. Cut off the threaded neck from the plastic bottle. Put it on the end of the plastic pipe and secure with a screw. Screw the bottle cap to the base of the broom where the old handle broke off. Then screw the pipe with neck into the cap on the broom. You've made a new straw and handle for the broom. Secure two pipe holders on the radiator using washers. Insert a plastic pipe of the needed length into the holders. You've made a convenient towel rack for towels and small items. Cut two rings from a plastic pipe. Make a cut on each ring. Drill two holes in each ring and insert long bolts with nuts. Cut pieces of silicone hose lengthwise and put them on the ring edges at the cut points. You've made powerful homemade clamps for gluing and clamping objects. Take several plastic pipe scraps and cut one end of each pipe at a 45-degree angle. Screw the pipes with the cut end to a wooden board. Mount the finished construction on the wall or any convenient surface. You've made a convenient wall organizer for the workshop. Put a triple fitting on the plastic pipe and secure it in the center with two screws. Make marks at equal distances along the entire length of the pipe and drill through holes. Drive a lone nail into each hole. Put the finished construction on a wooden shovel handle and secure with a screw. You've made homemade rakes for collecting grass and leaves in the yard. A practical tool from unnecessary materials. Cut a plastic bottle in half. Wrap several layers of electrical tape on the end of a long plastic pipe. Tightly stretch the bottle part with neck onto the tape and additionally secure with tape on top. Insert a light bulb into the secured bottle neck. You've made a convenient device for changing light bulbs at height without a ladder. Cut a hole in the side of a plastic bottle. Unscrew the cap and make a hole in the center. Screw a plastic pipe holder to the cap, then screw the cap back onto the bottle. Install a long pipe under the table or in another convenient place in your workshop and put the prepared bottle organizers on it. Sort small parts into bottles, bolts, nuts, fasteners. You've made convenient removable containers that are always at hand and easily removed from the pipe when needed. Constantly scratching yourself on saw teeth? Time to make a protective cover. Take a plastic pipe of the needed length and make a longitudinal cut, not quite reaching the edge. The cover is ready, a simple and effective solution for safe storage of cutting tools. Just screw in a bolt stopper. Take a small piece of metal profile and drill 2 holes in it. Thread rope through the hole, tie a knot, put a piece of plastic pipe on the rope, this will be the handle. Thread the free end of rope through the second hole in the profile and tie a knot. Insert a drywall sheet into the metal profile and carry it by the convenient handle. You've made a simple device for transporting large sheets alone without risk of damaging them. Cut off the upper part of a large plastic bottle and make 2 holes in the lower part. Thread thick wire through a small piece of plastic pipe. Insert the wire ends into the holes and bend them. You've made a homemade bucket with a convenient handle for watering plants and other household needs. Insert 2 plastic zip ties through a pipe holder and secure a marker in them. Apply hot glue to a small wooden board and glue a plastic pipe vertically. Put the holder with marker on the pipe. Rotate the pipes or move the device along boards. The marker will draw perfectly straight parallel lines at the needed level. Take a piece of plastic pipe and cut a small bottle in half. Put one part of the bottle on one end of the pipe, the second part on the other end. Use a heat gun to ensure tight fit of the bottle to the pipe. You've made a convenient container for storing long items, welding electrodes, long drill bits, rods, and other elongated tools. Now I'll show you how to make holders for plastic pipes from plastic pipes themselves. Secure 2 plastic pipe holders on the door. Insert a piece of plastic pipe into the holders. Drill a round hole in the door frame where the pipe hits. You've made a homemade door latch from available materials. Remove the broken handle from a large plastic bottle. Take strong rope and thread it through a small piece of plastic pipe. This will be a convenient handle. Tie as shown in the video. You've made a reliable homemade handle for carrying heavy water bottles. Cut off the upper part of a plastic bottle to make a funnel. Take a plastic pipe with diameter smaller than the bottle neck and insert it into the cut bottle neck. Secure the connection with hot glue. Now when pouring, liquid won't spill thanks to the tight connection. Cut a small piece of plastic pipe as I do. You've made a convenient belt organizer for tools.